Hello, creative gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn some plastic spoons into a beautiful crystal encrusted silver mirror full of bling. And if you would like to make one yourself, I will list out all the materials down below. Or you can also visit my blog site at creativdiy.com for all the details, including the tips and tricks as well as links to where you may purchase the materials. To begin, I will show you the materials I used to make the mirror. We will need a large charger plate. The one I bought was from the Dollar Tree. I bought the silver one, although the plate also comes in a variety of other colors. Next, I bought several packs of silver plastic spoons, also from the Dollar Tree. Each pack comes with 24 spoons. For this project, I used 3 packs. I also bought a floral garden metal wreath and a round frame mirror, both from the Dollar Tree. The metal wreath form comes in 2 sizes, and the one I bought was the larger size to match the size of the charger plate. To decorate the mirror, I already had on hand a supply of crystal gems of varying sizes. These crystal gems were bought from Hobby Lobby. You may also use additional crystal gem stickers, which I did, for extra bling. And of course, you will need some standard arts and craft tools. For this project, I chose to use my handy dandy glue gun as well as E6000 for a permanent hold. And now we begin the build process for our mirror. I will start by making the crystal gem clusters that will be used to decorate the mirror. I am taking the plastic silver spoons and using my hands to break them apart. For this project, we will be using the round part of the spoon and setting aside the arm part of the spoons for a future project. For the round part of the spoon, I will be gluing a pattern of crystal gem pieces to the bottom. Each spoon will have 3 large crystal gems down at the center, surrounded by a total of 4 medium-sized gems, 2 on each side. This process will be a tedious process as we will need approximately 70 to 75 pieces in order to decorate the entire mirror. I would suggest to get a cup of coffee and some music to listen to while you complete this part of the project. Once the crystal gem clusters are completed, set them aside. I put mine all in a basket so I wouldn't lose any of the pieces. Next, I take the flower garden meadow wreath form and I apply E6000 on one side of the wiring. Make sure the glue is applied to the parts of the wiring that will be making contact with the charger plate. You will then need to set those 2 pieces aside to cure for about 12 to 24 hours. For the next part of the project, there are actually two different methods I used to place the mirror on the charger plate. The method used for this project was to simply apply E6000 to the back of the mirror and then place it into the center of the charger plate. This method is quick and easy, and if you intend to place the mirror on a display easel or use the mirror as a tray. However, if you prefer to hang the mirror on the wall, I would recommend removing the backing from the mirror and gluing that to the back of the charger plate. The final part of this project is to decorate the mirror by placing each of the crystal clusters around the mirror frame. I made sure that each crystal cluster made contact with portions of the wiring so that they would stick well when I applied the glue. Well, creative gems, the crystal clustered mirror is almost finished. To complete the final look, I'm applying some crystal gem stickers around the frame of the mirror, just to give it that extra bling effect. I really enjoyed making this and I hope you will too. I ended up making two of these mirrors, but haven't decided yet where they will go. So many possibilities to consider. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification button so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.